Are you government, NGO, private sector organization or international organization that often holds conferences or any form of convergence in the Gambia? Bakadaji Hotel is the right place for you with our amazing conference services. Come with me, let me show you. Book our state-of-the-art conference halls and enjoy amazing services, fully AC'd, Wi-Fi, as well as high-resolution projectors. Also, you can book your breakfast, lunch or dinner with us for any conference or any convergence of any nature. With Bakadaji, redefining your conference experience.